G'day. My tip for today is about making sure that your website is secure and up to date, and that you have a team that you can contact at a moment's notice if something does go wrong. So hopefully your website has been built in a way that will reduce the chance of any issues coming up. And if you keep the website maintained on a regular basis, so monthly updates to the software and just checking over the site and making sure that there's no issues, then you shouldn't have very many problems at all. But one of WordPress's greatest strengths is also one of its weaknesses. So because it is completely open source, it means that any developer can create a plugin or a theme, and the code, the base code that is behind WordPress is available to anyone. And so it does mean that there are some threats out there, malware getting into WordPress, and through possible vulnerabilities in some of the code. And also there's the chance that some bits of plugins and themes perhaps haven't been coded to work well together. And sometimes you get conflicts, and that can cause a lot of stress. It means that your website's not displaying properly, and your users can't use your website. Your customers come to your website and it doesn't look right, and it turns them off. So you want to make sure that you have someone checking over your site, keeping it up to date, and if anything does go wrong, you've got someone who you can call on, someone who's got your back and who can instantly jump on it and make sure that everything's back up and running as quickly as possible. So if that's something that you need, then head over to Tuned WP and check out our support plans. There's a few different levels there. We can either just do the monthly checks over your website and make sure that everything's fine and be there for you when anything does come up, or we can be more proactive with our unlimited support and actually help you to improve and grow your website over time. I'll see you there. Cheers.